Today we are starting our first lecture about the professional ethics. There are the professional codes of conduct that barristers must follow. There are 10 core duties relating to those conducts. The first thing to note about a code is that it lays down the 10 core duties for every barrister to attend to. Specifically, these apply to all BSB regulated persons except where the code provides otherwise. BSB is Bar Standard Board of UK. A BSB regulated person includes all practicing barristers, second six pupils, and registered European lawyers. The core duties also apply to unregistered barristers who have been called to the bar but haven't gained pupillage yet. The core duties include: first core duty. You must observe your duty to the court in the administration of justice. That a barrister must do everything in his power to hold the administration of justice, so that the justice must be done in the court of law. This is the most important duty of a barrister. Core duty second is you must act in the best interest of your client. That a barrister must do everything in his power to hold the best interest of his client, to do everything that gains his client what he ought to gain. The third core duty is you must act with honesty and integrity. A barrister must be honest and he must act with integrity. He must be truthful and he must be ethical in all manners regarding the court. The fourth core duty is you must maintain your independence. This is very important core duty, that you must not get influenced by others. A barrister must be independent and he must do everything that he is capable of, and all of those things that the justice need him to do. Moreover, he must not get influenced by other barristers, his chambers, his clients. That's why this core duty is very important. The fifth core duty is you must not behave in a way which is likely to diminish the trust and confidence which the public places in you or in the profession. So, barrister must act in a way that upholds the high standard of work and do everything what the profession wants him to do. The core duty 6 is you must act and must keep the affairs of each client confidential. This is also very important core duty, that if a client tells you that he has done something wrong, you ought not to give evidence against him. This is called client confidentiality. What you can do at that time is that you can withdraw from the case, but you ought not to give evidence against him because he puts confidence in you. The core duty 7 is you must provide a competent standard of work and service to each client. This is also very important duty, that a barrister must work efficiently and effectively in the best possible manner and provide the best kind of work he can provide to a client. So he must be vigilant all the time about his work and he must work hard all the time. The core duty 8 is that you must not discriminate unlawfully against any person. This is also very important duty, that a barrister must not get influenced by his beliefs. When he is representing someone in the court of law or even in the general public, he must not discriminate against anyone on the basis of race, sex, and other circumstances. The core duty 9 is you must Be open and cooperative with your regulators, re- like BSP and ends of court, so that everything must be open up, and you must act in the best possible manner. So if you have done something wrong, you have to ought to tell the BSP about your doings, that what have you done wrong, and you must be open to them in all scenarios. The core duty 10 is that you must take reasonable steps to manage your practice. You must do everything to efficiently and effectively manage your practice, or carry out your role within your practice competently. You must be competent and work in the best possible manner, and in such a way as to achieve compliance with your legal and regulatory obligations, and must be working in the best possible manner so that your legal and regulatory obligations are met in the best possible manner. The core makes it clear that whilst the 10 are the not presented in order to precedence, nevertheless there will be circumstances where one core duty does take priority. In fact, the core duty 1, that you must observe your duty to the court in the administration of justice, overrides any other core duty where they are inconsistent. So most important duty is you must observe your duties to the court in the administration of justice. Firstly, you are the officer of court, so you must not betray the court and must uphold the administration of justice in the best possible manner.